situation where, say, where there's a younger couple where they've got young children, typically I guess it's the mother who's taken time off work to raise the children, only return to work part-time, would that...
Yeah, often in that circumstance you would have a situation in which, for example, the husband, if it's the husband might have to pay spousal maintenance for 3 years or 4 years to enable her to perhaps retrain. You know, you might have someone who's lost theirs, you know, a nurse, for example, might have to go back and do her registered nurse qualifications again because they might have lapsed. So a husband might have to pay spousal maintenance for 3 years or so until she gets her ticket back, and then she's able to work again. So it can be for a fixed period of time to enable a retraining or a re-education. The court generally in Australia is not keen on open-ended spousal maintenance orders forever.
There's got to be an end date.
There generally has to be an end date because there is a section of the Act that says the court should, as far as possible, finalise the financial relationship between separated or divorced couples. It's not always possible, but that's the aim of the Act.
Yeah, so the court, because the courts just want things to finish.
Yeah, there's generally a policy, I think, that it's best for parties, as far as it can be, to have a clean break.
Yes, move on with their lives.
Move on with their lives. Recognising that in some party circumstances that's not always possible, but that's generally the intention.